What you know about Bruges?
We know that we will meet very big club and very successful club and who has been permanent member of European competitions and the history of and records of Club Bruges is much bigger than ours in these competitions. But that is and of course we know that they have new coach and they are just starting the new season. So this is for us maybe the best moment to meet them. And of course we know those international star players of them. But we haven't seen any live games, but some DVDs. But of course they have scouted our games a couple of times, so maybe they have seen a little bit more.
In Belgium, we all know Jari Littmanen. What else should we know about your team?
Well, maybe he's the biggest name of our team, and definitely you can't recognize any another players. But hopefully he's interesting player also tomorrow, and I think he has played here sometimes against your club.
Yeah. Is Littmanen still a top player, or can you see he's